Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video. Welcome back to our 30 days IELTS marathon. Today is day 6. Before we begin, I have a question for you. How many of you know English words but struggle to make a sentence? Many students face this problem. You know the words, you know the meaning, you know grammar rules, but when someone asks a question in English, your mind becomes blank. You start thinking, what should I say? How should I arrange words? Am I making a mistake? Will people laugh at me? If this happens to you, don't worry. Today's class is going to help you. Today, we are learning one of the most important topics in English and IELTS sentence formation. And I promise you one thing, if you understand today's lesson properly and practice daily, your speaking score and writing score can improve significantly. So take your notebook, take your pen, sit comfortably, and keep repeating after me because today's class is not for watching, today's class is for participating. So, are you ready? Yes, let's begin. What is a sentence, first of all? Can a single word be a sentence? Can random words be a sentence? Let's understand. A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete meaning. Write that down. A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete meaning. For example, I eat rice. This is a sentence. Why? Because it gives a complete meaning. Now look at this. Eat rice. This is not a complete sentence. Who eats rice? We don't know. The meaning is incomplete. Therefore, it is not a complete sentence. Now, are you understanding? Very good. The three important parts of a sentence we should know. Every beginner must learn three things: subject, verb, and object. Repeat after me: subject, verb, and object. What is a subject? Subject tells us who or what we are talking about. Examples: I, you, he, she, they, Ravi, Anu, the teacher, the students, all these can be subjects. Let's practice. In the sentence, Ravi plays football, who are we talking about? Ravi. Therefore, Ravi is the subject. Another example, the students are studying. Who are we talking about? The students. Correct. So, the students are the subject. Now, what is a verb? Verb is an action word. Something or somebody does. Examples: eat, drink, play, write, walk, study, sleep, run, sing, dance. These are verbs. Let's do a quick activity. I will say a word. You tell me whether it is a verb. Ready? Run. Is it a verb or not? It is a verb because it's an action word. Now, book. Is it a verb or not? That is not a verb. Study. Is it a verb or not? It is, of course, a verb. Now, what is an object? An object receives the action. For example, I eat rice. What do I eat? Answer is rice. So, rice is the object. She reads books. What does she read? Books. So, books is the object. We need to know the golden formula. You can write this down in capital letters in your practice book. Subject plus verb plus object is the format of a sentence. This is the most important sentence formula. We can do one activity. Let's build the sentences together. Okay. Um I'll give three words. You can make a sentence out of this. Word one, I. Word two, play. Word three, cricket. Make a sentence out of these three words. Answer will be I play cricket. Very good. Now, another three words which I can give. Word one, she. Word two, reads. Word three, newspapers. Pause the video and make a sentence. The answer will be she reads newspapers. Very good. Another words. Word one, they. Word two, watch. Word three, movies. Make a sentence out of these. The correct answer will be they watch movies. So many students know vocabulary but arrange words incorrectly. Look here, the wrong way that many of my students does is I every day English study. They'll make like this, but the correct format is I study English every day. Can you see the difference? English follows a particular order, not random order. Remember this word order is extremely important. Now we will do one activity. I will give you words in a wrong order. You need to make it in the correct order. Okay. Question 1. Football plays he. Rearrange these words and make a sentence. The correct answer will be he plays football. Question number two, teacher is she a. Rearrange these words and make a sentence. She is a teacher. Another is market went I to the. Rearrange this and make a sentence. I went to the market. Yes, simple sentences. A simple sentence contains an idea. Okay. For example, I like tea. She is happy. They play football. We study English. Likewise, it will be simple. It will follow the format of a sentence basically. Making sentences longer. IELTS examiners love detailed answers. Let's improve our sentences. A simple sentence is I like music, but you can make the sentence in a better way. That is what IELTS examiners are looking for. I like music because it helps me relax after a busy day. Can you hear the difference? The second answer sounds more natural, more mature, more fluent. This is what IELTS want. IELTS speaking practice question. Do you like reading? Sometimes people will say yes, but the better answer is yes, I do. The strong answer is yes, I do. I enjoy reading books because they help me gain knowledge and improve my vocabulary. Understood? Try to extend or lengthen your sentence that you are making. Now we'll see some negative sentences. Sometimes we want to say no. For this, we use do not, does not, did not, and let's learn. For example, a positive sentence is I play football. A negative sentence is I do not play football. Positive is she likes tea. Negative is she does not like tea. Notice something. Did you notice something? She does not likes tea is wrong. Wrong. After does not use the base form of verb. She does not like, not likes. Very important. Now we'll convert some sentences into negative. I drink coffee. Convert this into negative. I do not drink coffee. They watch television. They do not watch television. She plays tennis. She does not play tennis. Now we'll learn questions. This is extremely important for IELTS speaking. The statement is you like music. Change the sentence into a question. Do you like music? Another statement is she works here. Change the statement into a question. Does she work here? Statement they visited Kerala. Change the statement into a question. Did they visit Kerala? Very good. Some common IELTS sentence mistakes that many students make. The wrong way of using making a sentence is he go to school. That sentence is completely wrong as he is singular. We need to use singular form of the verb. So the correct usage is he goes to school. Okay. Another mistake that many students make is she don't like coffee. That is wrong. The corrected version of that is she doesn't like coffee. Another mistake that many of my students does is sometimes students say I am agree. That is wrong. Correct way is I agree. Next wrong way of using is he very tall. That is wrong. Correct way is he is very tall. Next wrong way of using is I am having two sisters. That is wrong. You need to say I have two sisters. That is very common mistake that my students make. Please avoid it. Now, IELTS writing sentence building, you need to know many students write. People use mobile phones. That is very basic. Let's improve it. People use mobile phones for communication. A better way to use that is people use mobile phones for communication because they allow individuals to stay connected with family and friends. Make the sentences lengthen the sentences when you present the sentence to the IELTS examiners. Okay, now we'll do one speaking challenge. I'll tell one sentence incompletely. You need to complete it. Pause the video and complete it. I enjoy learning English because fill the sentence with whatever comes to your mind. Another question in the future, I want to dash. Fill the sentence with whatever that comes to your mind. Next is technology is important because. Okay. Now, I'll give some words you need to. I'll give 10 questions to you. In that 10 questions, you will see words that is not properly arranged. You need to arrange the sentence, arrange the words, and make a good sentence out of it. Question number one, books read I. Rearrange the words and make a sentence. You can write the answers down in the comments. Question number two, teacher, my kind is. Rearrange the words and make a sentence. Question number three, likes she dancing? Rearrange the words and make a sentence out of this. Question number four, football they play. Rearrange the words and make a sentence out of this. Question number five, market yesterday went I too. Rearrange the words and make a sentence out of this. Question number six, English learning am I? Rearrange the words and make a sentence out of this. Question number seven, brother my engineer is an. Rearrange the words and make a sentence out of this. Question number eight, coffee doesn't he like? Rearrange the words and make a sentence out of this. Question number nine, you do music like. Rearrange the words and make a sentence out of this. Question number 10, watching enjoy movies I. Rearrange the words and make a sentence out of this. Now you have a homework. Write 10 sentences about yourself, 5 positive sentences and 3 negative sentences, and 2 questions. For example, I live in Kerala. I enjoy learning English. I do not smoke. Do you like traveling? Write them in the comments. You can practice this daily. Before ending today's class, remember this fluent English is not built in one single day. It is built one sentence at a time. Today, you learned how to build sentences. Tomorrow, you will build conversations, then paragraphs, then essays, then confidence. Keep moving forward. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourselves with yesterday's version of yourself. If you can make one better sentence today than yesterday, you are improving. And improvement is what matters. Thank you for joining day 6 of our 30 days IELTS marathon. Tomorrow is day 7, a complete practice and revision session. Don't miss it. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep learning, and I'll see you in next class. Bye, everyone.